how's it going? My name is Rob Kitchen. I'm here at the Quad Cities Auto Show representing Hupy and Abraham. We're here as a field team and we're handing out free hats, free shirts, free stickers, free pens, spreading awareness to look out for motorcycles when you're driving on the road. And people can put their name down and they'll get a monthly newsletter that gives them tips and tricks on how to drive safely and what to do if you're involved in a personal injury lawsuit and you want to call someone. Hupy and Abraham are your people. Oh my goodness, right in front of us are the Audis. Oh, there's a Corvette room right there. Lots of cool cars here this year. Yeah?
Absolutely.
Yeah. You know, it's great to see people out here in the Quad Cities. We just dealt with COVID for however long, and it's great to see people running around and interacting with each other and looking at things. If you want to know more information about Hupy and Abraham, go to hupy.com and they'll set you up there.